hit here. He is on the clock. Keep her going. Close, but it was good. Trying to get the bicycle going here. 20 seconds in, and noticing now pretty much the track is dry, so we have high bite. Just let her keep going. Close. It was a quick pop. 40 seconds. You have 20 seconds left. Ooh, first reverse here. There we go. Nice. The reverse. 15 seconds left. 15. 10 seconds left. Good run by Del Scorcho here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that move, there we go. Nice. That was a really good run there too, and that combo counted at the end, so 7, 7, 8. Getting close to 10 seconds in here. Nice, nice flip there. Yeah. 20 seconds in. Boy, you can hear that the surface is higher biting. Yep, all those gears chirping. Ah, almost got the pogo there. That was 25 seconds.
Close 10 seconds in. 20 seconds.
You're up here then. On your head. Nice power wheelie there. 10 seconds in roughly. $15 seconds into the run. $25 seconds in. Approaching halfway here. Nice combo. Big air. 35 seconds. A little over halfway there. Really nicely paced run. Speed, big air. 20 seconds left. 15, approaching 15. Ah, there we go. That was, call it 46 seconds. Nice run there, though.
Approaching halfway here. 20 seconds left.
All right, Chris. We'll count that as a start. It's a good move. Five seconds in. $15 in. Chris with a smooth run so far here. Approaching 25 seconds, looks like, yep, 25. 30 seconds, halfway there. There we go, letting those dips unload. Ooh, that's crazy. Not normally how you backflip. 15 seconds left for Chris. 10 seconds left in the run here. Up, there we go.
Look out, that is. Halfway there. Ooh.
We'll let it go. It was quick. There goes the beat. 10 seconds in. $15. $25 in. All right, that's it though. That'll count it. On the clock. Nice flip there, power flip. Cruncher. Little pirouette. 10 seconds in. 10 seconds in. A lot of speed here in the run, a lot of momentum. 20 seconds in. 20 seconds. Nice monkey flip, the front flip. 30 seconds. LVC's approaching 30 seconds here. Keep it down. Kept it down. 35 seconds. Nice. I think that was a combo. 41 seconds. Very nice. Oh, that's sick. Combo into power wheelie. If he can hold it down, we'll call it there. Keep it like it was. The flat.
10 seconds in.